Hey everyone, day 14. Today we're doing a dip. If you've been watching Fiona Art, you've been seeing her beautiful flowers. So I thought this would probably be a good way to show you how to do a dip. And if it doesn't work out, we will change it into just a regular dip. So I'm going to go ahead and put some white down on this canvas. And a little bit on this one. We don't need as much on this one because we're going to dip into. And I'm going to use my palette knife. And I'll paint the sides afterwards. So I'm using up some paints that don't have silicone. So we can get them off of our list here. They're all creative inspiration paints. If I sound hoarse, it's because the allergies are bad. I had a sore throat all day yesterday, so that's probably where it's coming from. All right. So I'm just going to draw myself a little pattern flower here. I don't know how much paint is in these. I may not even get to use it all. I'll put some yellow in the center. This is quinacridone rose from Creative Inspirations. You don't have to make a pattern. You can do dots or lines or whatever you're comfortable doing. You don't want to put a ton of paint there though, because you'll end up with a puddle in the middle. And then I have some dark dioxazine violet here. That'll give us just some dark edge. And I'm going to put a little bit of green to give us a little leaf look on the outside. We'll see how this goes. All right, so now I want to flip this canvas on top. We'll rub the back to make sure we have contact. Okay. Now when you're pulling off, you're going to come straight up. So you're going to start pulling to release that suction. You may have to push the other canvas a little bit with your fingers. And we have a very soft flower. That I absolutely love because it's soft. And it looks like it has some little trails there. I'm going to pull that with my skewer just a little bit. Get rid of any air bubbles. And I'm going to give it a torch. That will be so pretty when it's dry because it's so soft. Now, on the one that you pulled it from, of course, will be a little bit darker. But you can go in with your skewer, I almost dropped it, and just fix little spots. Like, I love this little petal right here. So I'm not going to mess with it too much because I actually like it. But see how the leaves come out? We don't even have to touch that either. So I'm going to give that one a quick torch. So if you do them with silicone, you will get a lot of cells. I did get cells even though I have no silicone in my paints, and that's just from the white, the densities of the white, playing with other colors. So, but that's all there is to it. Two pretty flowers, two very soft, pretty flowers, beautiful for Mother's Day, easy gift for Mom, and it was just a simple little process. So try it. I'm sure you'll enjoy every second of it. Just like I said, don't put a ton of paint on the dipping canvas because you have paint here that you're going to be pulling off of. So you don't want to leave it all here and not have anything show up on the other canvas. So thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Click on the notification so you know when we upload our next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join our Facebook group, the Parage Posse. A lot of great artists in there that are more than happy to help you along your journey. If you're looking for paint pouring supplies, we have those in our Amazon shop. That link is below. The Etsy shop for buying paintings, that link is below as well. If you're interested in sending Alan a gadget to paint with on Monday nights, the post office box address is there. The Stone Coat Art Coat resin link is there as well, and the code. And of course we have Redbubble and Teespring and our PayPal link for PayPal donations for the channel. We do a sponsor giveaway every quarter. The next one is July 1st, so if you want to get in on that drawing, and you want to donate to the channel so we can bring you more of these great videos, that would be awesome. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.